Bangladesh Parliament House. Lots of people are together, and Bangladesh border guard, Bangladesh army, Bangladesh military, Bangladesh police, Bangladesh answer guard here because now we are perform in prayer. Bangladesh three-time old Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia, she has been died. She has been died, and she has been passed. She respectable person in Bangladesh. We respectable and he honorable person in Bangladesh Prime Minister, and we are pray for him. Allah will be give Jannatullah Firdaus. Amin. Everybody pray for him. Pray for her. Everybody pray for her. Everybody pray for her. A lots of people gather in parliamentary front on the side field, Manik Mia Avenue field. A lots of people together here. And already now we are perform her in prayer. That means janaza. Arabic call name janaza. Janaza already finished. A lots of Bangladesh border guard, Bangladesh military guard here in our parliamentary house, Bangladesh Parliamentary House.